On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix the black screen problem. So the black screen, a lot of people have this problem. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you on this video how to fix it in less than 50 seconds. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and the networks and then open the Wi-Fi page and then all what you have to do is turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again and then go back and go to the apps manager. After that, go to the apps again and go to Instagram. Now this is the app information page. Click here on force stop and then go to the notifications management. Make sure to enable all those notifications options. Go back and click on the permissions and make sure also to enable those permissions, all of them, and then go to the data usage and make sure that all the network access options are enabled and go back. Now the last thing you have to do is storage. After you go to the storage, now this is an optional step. If you want to do it, click on clear data and now restart your phone and the problem must be solved. If this video was helpful, I hope you leave a like and subscribe, and you can check our other educational videos about Instagram.